Did you know sloths are some of the slowest animals on Earth? They move at a leisurely pace of just about 0.03 miles per hour. This slow lifestyle helps sloths conserve energy, as they have a diet mainly consisting of leaves, which are low in calories. Interestingly, sloths are excellent swimmers. They can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes underwater and can swim 3 times faster than they can move on land. Plus, their fur is home to a whole ecosystem of algae, which not only camouflages them in the trees, but also provides nutrients. So, next time you think of sloths, remember they're not just slow. They're fascinating creatures perfectly adapted to their environment.